My name is Tommy Pepper. I'm 4 foot 5 inches tall. I'm 11 years old. I live in St. Louis, Missouri.
Z-O-O-E.
Do you like cooking? I love cooking. Holy crap! I was not expecting that to work. Jeez, Mom, you should be happy I'm still alive.
I can't go out. I'm sick.
This is the most edible looking food I've ever made in my life.
Before the W or Y.
What am I doing here?
I'm guessing that's...